Yeah? You see what he's doing? Let's go see what he thinks he's doing. Come on, puppies. Hey, Ridgeway. What are you doing? Nothing. No, really, what are you doing?
Target shooting, hon.
No, you're not, because your target is back over by the garage.
I have many targets.
Huh?
I have many targets.
You're not shooting at any animals, are you?
No. Why would I do
You
that?
promise?
Promise. Hit in my eye.
Okay. Well,
Why are you snooping anyway?
I'm not snooping. Listen. Can I get your help today?
Doing what?
I would like to
The bitch.
get these two buckets. They're actually screwed to the top, remember?
Yeah.
And I can't, they're too high. We need to get the ladder. I want them removed. I have some other ideas. This is going to be Abe's kingdom here.
I swear if there's any nicks on him, it wasn't me.
You were shooting at him?
No, I couldn't hit him from there, but I may have sighted in a little bit, but I don't think I
Don't
hit
be
him.
smart.
No, I don't think so.
Well, how about I'll go get the tripods and then you get the ladder and we'll set it up and then just show everybody that, like, my beginning's like, oh my gosh, like, see this door is even gone. It's totally
It's covered
gone.
up with chickweed. Look at it all. It's all grown over.
Huh? Well, I know this is what I have to do every single year, but I thought maybe.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgeway world. I'm Jeff, you're not, and I'll be helping Terry this afternoon the way it looks.
Yeah. Oh,
So-
it won't take long. Okay?
So my little target shooting event is over until Terry goes back in the house. So it's all good. So you said you're gonna get a tripod?
I'm gonna get a
tripod,
I'm
and
gonna
we're
get
gonna-
a couple of tripods,
Okay.
I think, and then so
And you
he
still
can-
want this stump, correct?
Yes, I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'm
Okay.
gonna make another little village over here, but this is gonna be a long process. So
It's called a lifetime.
I know that. Okay. I will go get the tripod,
Okay.
and you can get the ladder,
I will
and
get the
we'll
step
meet
ladder.
back here in a minute.
Yep. Yeah. Hey, welcome back, everybody. We got our tools and implements of destruction to I shouldn't say destruction, but we got all our implements to try to clean this mess up.
Yeah. But see, I've had these up here for years, but I want something else to do here now. So, and I want to make it like he's got his own little kingdom. And also I want, like, usually I have my gnomes out here in the spring, summer, and fall. The winter I put them away because for some reason, I don't know what it is, but it not only just gets overgrown, but this tree like moves, it shifts, and
It's a shapeshifter.
everything falls apart.
It's
So
because
it
it's
always
rotting.
needs, I know, it always needs help. So I want him to take these down for me, and he likes to use his tractor to carry the ladder.
No, because I'm going to take the stuff that's in there, dump it in there, and then throw those away,
Oh,
and then
nice.
I'll dump it in the hole. There's no ulterior motive to everything I do.
Good thinking.
Did you tell everybody how close the stump was going to be taken out when we put the pool in? So Terry's
And
little
I said
gnome,
no.
yeah, Terry's gnome fantasy world would be gone, and she'd have to regroup and figure something out. So
Yeah, this is really bad. This is worse this year than last year.
right, and you coated this too. That's
I
what,
know. It's like falling apart. And I got to save these big rocks too. Like all my gnome doors, I couldn't let them out here because they're all covered up.
Yeah, because we had taken the chainsaw last year and took a lot of the edges off, the rough edges around it, but now at the bottom, like this is all rotten right here. Oops, sorry. It should, we should get rid of it anyway because.
So how are you going to be taking these down?
Hopefully, I'm going to just pry them and pop them off. Excuse me, tuna fish.
Okay, well, I just asked you one favor. All right. Well, can't
You did
go-
ask me
I
one
don't
favor
want to
already.
forget. No, when you get to this one, I don't want, she's been up there for years.
Who's she?
The fairy, she's been up here. Ooh, that's going to need some work too. Okay. lights are on.
What, these things?
This one actually has a perennial in there. So, and I can see it starting to come back. So I don't want, oh, this is cracked. I don't want this thrown away because I can transplant what's in there.
What's up here? What's these things?
What?
These things moving around. Almost looks like termite larvae.
Oh, you're kidding.
So hence why your stump is moving and or being disintegrated. Because this is probably all. Excuse me, tuna. Uh-oh, Fairy lost her wings.
What?
Fairy lost her wings.
Jeffrey!
What? Fairy lost them right there.
Did you do that?
No, she just lost her wings. She just lost her wings. She must have did something really bad.
You hit her.
Fairy did bad.
Well, they're not broken. I can glue it back on.
Right. See? A lot of drama in the fairy world.
Well, I'm going to have to Google this then. What should I do for this top?
That one looks a little
I
better.
don't see anyone here.
No, I don't either.
So he can go here.
He's a better target.
See, this is going to be Abe's kingdom. And I can actually make like a Miller, a crown out of Miller.
Right. Well,
The
I don't have
the
any Miller
cans?
cans right now because the liquor store didn't have any. I had to get Coors Light. Nothing against
I could
Coors
do-
Light,
I
but
could
I'm
do
not a
something
fan.
else with Miller because Dad loved Miller, right?
Right. Well,
So-
he liked Miller High Life.
Okay, but just in case, I'm going to keep them.
John!
I'm going to keep them on here. John!
God, he can't stay around.
Yeah, that's broken pretty good.
Yeah, you just come
Stay
right in,
over
didn't you, buddy?
here. You stay here. I don't want to
Okay, what's our
lose you.
objective here after they're removed, which they're done? We
Uh,
saved the perennials, because I see that's popping up.
Yeah, I think that oh, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do here. Look at this. It's just falling off.
Well, you knew it was coming. That's life, that's world, you know? Shit lives, shit dies.
Well, I'm just going to clear the rest of the spot away.
Right.
And then my plans with this tree stump is I'm going to have like maybe another little village over here.
Right.
And I want to make like a moat, not around this one, but around the new one. And maybe a bridge, I don't know. We'll have two kingdoms.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the front end bucket and I'm going to flip this stump back over to where it right sided up because I'm not doing it by hand because I don't want to bust another nut and get a hernia.
So you're going to put it like right here?
Yeah, it'll flip up and then I'll move it wherever we need
Okay.
to do it. But I don't want to have to pick it up.
Well, how heavy is it?
I don't know. Try
Can
moving.
I do it?
Yeah,
Like both
yeah,
of
okay.
us?
Here you go.
No,
Go ahead.
Both of us.
No, I just want to see you try.
Well, I know I can't do it by myself. Oh, forget it.
Right. Even with two people, I don't want to bust a nut, you know?
All right, so you're going to bring the tractor and put the
Yes.
bucket under?
Yep. That's the main objective here.
All right, let me get out of your way. I gotta get it. Only if I can use this. Because I
Hey,
just
tuna
want to
fish,
clear
you
out
have to
these
move.
doors.
Tuna fish
Because you
gotta
think
be-
it's going to settle some more?
What's that? The whole stump?
Yeah.
It's not settling, it's rotting.
Now it's very dirty, but I'll just have to clean it up. Maybe I'll get the pressure washer out here and just do it lightly. I don't want to splinter the wood.
My pressure washer's broke. I remember I got to get another one.
Well,
So,
I can't, well, we're not going to be able to do it.
Right.
I
And
know.
you said you're going to run a bridge possibly to this thing?
I'm thinking from here to here, maybe like a rope bridge,
I don't know.
you know?
Whatever you think.
And
Your
then
world. Party on.
I'm going to get some vinyl and dig like a little moat.
Oh, so you want to put a pond in here? Well, I could take the backhoe and dig a trench and you could put vinyl in it and fill it with water.
Oh, so you think I should make it like a lake and then
Yeah.
also a moat?
Whatever you want.
Or-
I'm just saying I could take
Okay.
the backhoe and scrape it down so you don't have to dig it by hand, you know, when you're ready, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. Yeah, and it'll just take
Can you
me a
see
while
my
to put
penny line?
everything-
Joking. Why are the buttons out here?
They were on this door. There was a door over here.
Well, there was a button there, and I just slung a button, a white button.
Where
Too.
the heck is the door?
They're all rotten. Oh,
No, I mean it's gone.
There's a door over here with buttons.
No, I know that. Well, that was just decoration.
Oh, well, that's it. There's another button right there.
No, there was a blue door over there. At some point in time.
Maybe it was the doorway to hell, and it closed up and disappeared.
No. So we could show them the progress, I guess.
Yeah.
You know. See, I got too many stones in
Yeah, you
here.
put a lot of those road rock in there. But it is a beautiful day in Pittsgrove. It's only 58 degrees. I was hoping for 70. We mowed the lawn today, which it looks pretty good. The tufts of grass are done, so we can, next week possibly, or this week, we can put not topsoil, but fertilizer, lime, grass seed, and doctor it up, because I sort of neglected over the last 25 years, because when you're doing landscaping, you always take care of somebody else's lawn and not as much your own. So, it's about time to start taking care of our own crap. Did you want to talk about what you did last night too?
No.
Oh.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did.
Stop. I did not. I did not.
Yes. I didn't know.
You make me out to sound like I'm crazy.
No, I'm
And
not.
you know, there's nothing wrong with loving gnomes.
No, but what?
And you know what? And I didn't even thought about it. There's nothing wrong with talking to gnomes either.
Okay.
You talk to, you know.
I talked to the car. I talked to John. I talked to you.
Yeah, so it's like, it's pretend. It's just pretend. It's not, you know, just because you get older doesn't mean that you lose your imagination.
Did they answer you?
You can pretend they answer you.
Oh, okay. So you pretend they answer you. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like Abe is saying, he wants a beer.
They're not telling you to hit me while I'm sleeping, are they?
No, but they might.
That's so great. Johnny, what do you think? I know you hear
Johnny,
voices.
you gonna sign off? Can you look in the camera?
Yeah, he's looking everywhere but the camera.
You gonna sign off, Johnny?
All right, but we'll keep you guys updated as our progress. Terry's got two cameras, and I don't know which to look at. I'm so confused. But either way, hope everybody's having a good day and enjoy the good day we have right here in the sunny outdoors of Pittsgrove.
Have a beautiful day.
Yep, have a beautiful day, a great day, and a good
And
life.
we'll see you next time.